to invoke the blessings of God Almighty through a prarthana.
मनोबुद्ध्यहङ्कार चित्तानि नाहं न च स्तोत्रजिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे न च व्योमभूमिर्न तेजो न वायुः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न मृत्युर्न शङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मा न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुत्वां च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चासङ्गतं नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः.
Thank you, Shiji, for that soulful rendition of the prayer. I now call upon Mr. Sri Kumar to honor our chief guest and present him with a small token of our appreciation.
Thank you. May I now request the chief guest to render the inaugural address.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a pleasure for me to be here today amongst all of you. I must start by admitting that my knowledge of Kathakali and the Indian dance form is not very good. In fact, it's poor. But it's still an incredible pleasure to be here, to see and to support Uttishta and what they're doing. I think it's really fascinating to see some of the work that like-minded people, when they get together, professionals, when they get together, what they can do and what a difference they can make in society. I think we've just seen a few clips of what they do, but I know that obviously behind the scenes to achieve and to do all these things requires a lot of effort, a lot of time and energy, and I think in today's day and age, we understand it's incredibly difficult to find time, but it's just great to see that young like-minded people have come together to do what they have done. So it's an inspiration for people like me when I come here and see some of the great work that people like Uttishta are doing. So congratulations to you and all the very best in all your ventures. That's it. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure for me to come here and support what I think is a fantastic cause. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Dravid, for your kind words. One of the new initiatives of Uttishta is to recognize organizations engaged in outstanding social service across the country. This is the first such award being conferred on the winning organization selected from amongst 9 nominated.
May I request Sri Rahul Dravid to confer this award. The award consists of a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh and a citation. Audience, may we have a big hand? Thank you. Thank you. May I also request Mr. Dravid for a traditional citation to be provided. This is the Ponnada, a Kerala traditional shawl. Now for the grand event that all of us are waiting for. Before
ആരുടെ തേരി തേ